questions 1 through 10 on the 2013 grade 10 Cayley math contest. The value of 8 plus 4 over 8 minus 4 is 8 plus 4 is 12, 8 minus 4 is 4, and 12 over 4 is 3. So number 1, the answer is B. The expression 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 2 plus 2 to the power of 1. 2 to the power of 3 is 8, 2 squared is 4, and 2 to the power of 1 is just 2. And that means 8 plus 4, which is 12, plus 2, which is 14, is the answer to the question. Number 2, therefore, is C. If x plus the square root of 81 is equal to 25, then x is. The square root of 81 is 9, and that's equal to 25. That means x is 25 minus 9, and therefore x is 16. So number 3, the answer is A. How many of the 4 integers are multiples of 3? Well, we divide each of these by 3, and let's see what we get. So the first one, 2 divided by 3, is 74 exactly. So that is a multiple of 3. I'll just circle it. The next one, 2 divided by 3, is 740.66 approximately, and that is not a multiple of 3. So I cross that out. The next one, 2 divided by 3, is 7407.33. That's not an integer, so that's not a multiple of 3. And then the last one, 222 divided by 3 is exactly 74074. That is an integer, so that is a multiple of 3. So of those 4 integers, 2 were multiples of 3. And therefore, number 4, the answer is C. A rectangular field has a length of 20 and a width of 5. If the length is increased by 10, how many square meters will its area be increased? So initially we've got this field, and then we're going to take it and we're just going to increase the length, something like that, right? So the first one, it's a 20 by 5 are the dimensions, and therefore the area is 20 times 5. So that is 100. So that's the area of that first rectangular field. The next one has the dimensions as follows. The length is increased by 10. So instead of 20, it's now 30. The width is the same. So now this area is 30 times 5, and that's 150. So we went from 100 to 150. That is an increase of 50. So number 5, the answer is C. A large cylinder can hold 50 liters of chocolate milk when full. The tick marks show the division of the cylinder into 4 parts of equal volume. Which of the following is the best estimate for the volume of chocolate milk in the cylinder shown? So 50 is the full capacity, and these tick marks divided into 4. So that means each of those is 12.5, right? 12.5 right here. This is 25, and this is approximately, or exactly I should say, 37.5. Now they're saying if you filled it to here, how much chocolate milk do you have? Well, it's right below 37.5, so approximately 37 or 36. And of those answer choices, the one that makes the most sense, of course, is 36. So number 6, the answer is D. In the diagram PQR, it is an equilateral triangle. If PQ is 4x and PR is x plus 12, what is the value of x? Equilateral means that all 3 sides are the same. So that means this side is the same as that side is the same as that side. Well, 2 of those sides, they told me, are 4x and x plus 12. And since they are equal, put a little equal sign there. And that's the equation you have to solve. So that means 3x is 12, and therefore x is equal to 4. And that's it. So number 7, the answer is C. The symbol is defined so that a symbol b is a plus b over a times b. For example, 2 symbol 5 is 2 plus 5 over 2 times 5, which is 7 over 10. What is 3 symbol 6? 3 symbol 6, according to this definition, will be 3 plus 6 over 3 times 6. And therefore that's 9 over 18, and that's 1 over 2. So number 8, the answer is E. In the diagram, PQR has a right angle at Q. A square is drawn on each side of the triangle. The area of the square on side QR is 144. The area of the square on side PR is 169. What is the area of the square on side PQ? All right, nice Pythagorean relationship here. A square, of course, has sides that are all the same. So if 169 is the area, that means 169 is equal to x squared. And therefore x is 13. So there we go, 13 right there. In a very similar way, that square, if it has side length y squared is 144. So y is the square root of 144, which is 12. So 12 goes right here. So now we just have to figure out PQ, no problem. Using Pythagoras, PQ squared plus 12 squared is 13 squared. That means PQ squared is 169 minus 144, which is 25, and therefore PQ is 5. So put a little 5 there. And then they want the area of that square. Well, the area is going to be 5 times 5, and that is 25. So number 9, the answer is E. Barry has 3 sisters. The average age of the 3 sisters is 27. The average age of Barry and his 3 sisters is 28. What is Barry's age? We have Barry, and we have sister 1, sister 2, and sister 3. So first, they told me the average age of the 3 sisters, sister 1, sister 2, plus sister 3, is 27. So that means the sum S1 plus S2 plus S3 is 3 times 27. And then they tell me that the average age of all 4 siblings combined, B plus S1 plus S2 plus S3 divided by 4, that average is 28. Okay, so B plus this right here, that sum we just figured out was 3 times 27. And then we can cross multiply that 4 times 28. So B is basically 4 times 28 minus 3 times 27. And that's going to be, let's see here, 112 minus 81. And that is equal to 31. So Barry is 31 years old. Number 10, the answer is E.